So we are still tracking what's coming around the corner.
Yeah. You know, almost like the snowstorm last weekend.
Right.
You get kind of sick of hearing about it, talking about it. So it's like, well, let's just get the cold here and get it over with.
Okay.
But we've got accumulating snow tonight, though, Lena, kind of distracting us, for at least for a time being, from the cold heading this way. We've had some pretty decent snow over the course of the last 24 hours in spots. We've got these little bursts of snow, almost thunderstorm-like in nature, in that we've got some convective growth, a little growth on the clouds with these, so you get a really good snowfall rate, and then it goes away a couple minutes later. So here's where the snow is right now. Some pretty good bursts of snow. Areas of eastern Cuyahoga County from Shaker Heights up towards Euclid. That extends over into Menor, Willoughby area as well. And then just towards Auburn Township now, heading out of Solon. Pretty good bursts of snow. This will put down a coating, reduce visibility as well, and slicken up that street if it's untreated. Aurora getting some snow right now. Streetsboro, you had snow over the last 30 minutes or so. That is now east of you, and we've also had some snow developing down the south of Akron, down towards Barberton and heading over towards Coventry Township. All that south of 76 right now, and then down towards Worcester, Smithville area, getting some pretty decent snow today as well. Not adding up to much, but again, it will disrupt your evening plans if you're out and about. But look at this, off to our west, looming is yet another system moving in. This will bring our accumulating snow tonight. These are quick-moving clipper systems. They don't have a ton of moisture with them, but this one should be able to squeeze out, I think, 2 to 3 inches of snow as it looks right now. And they're all coming kind of along a train here of the boundary between that cold Arctic air off to our north, some more mild air down to the south. We've just got this train of clipper systems. So you get snow, and then the system's out of here 10 hours later, and then right on the heels of that, another system. That's kind of what we've been dealing with. So let's go hour by hour through your forecast tonight. You can see how we kind of quiet down over the course of your Saturday evening, but tonight we see an area-wide snow develop from west to east. I think start time on our model might be a little bit later. I've kind of bumped up our start time, maybe 10 o'clock tonight from Mansfield up towards Sandusky, then spreading off to the east. I think midnight, maybe Akron up towards Cleveland, and then heading out towards Ashtabula and Youngstown beyond that. But area-wide snow, it'll be light to moderate, maybe some heavier bursts. This will coat the roads, and again, I think 2 to 3 inches before it's all said and done. And when is it done? Tomorrow morning. As you're waking up Sunday morning, you're going to be like, what happened? And we're not going to have a lot of snow falling, but I think a good 2 to 3 inches for most of you, and then we kind of quiet down throughout the daytime tomorrow. Temperatures go up to 30 tonight, and then they crash tomorrow. We'll be back into the teens for much of the day, perhaps some ongoing lake snow out in the snow belt. Doesn't look particularly heavy, but kind of a nuisance more than anything, and we'll clear out down to the south with temperatures holding in the teens. So how much snow? Models agree with me. I think 1 to 2 inches area-wide across northern Ohio. So let's go talk about the cold, shall we? We've got it looming off to the north. We've got an area low pressure that will head by this week, and that will drag that cold air in here. And it lasts, it looks Wednesday, Thursday, Friday as of right now. So let's go through the temperatures. I'm going to fast forward to the key times here. This is Tuesday morning, about 1 o'clock in the morning. When that system goes by, we'll be in the 30s. Temps crash beyond that, down below 0 as you're waking up Wednesday morning. Wind chill feeling more like minus 30. This is going to be historic cold for areas of Chicago and the upper Midwest. The good news, the models have trended a little bit warmer as we go into Thursday and Friday, and a pretty quick recovery next weekend as well, as you'll see here in the Universal Windows 7-day forecast. So here you go. We're up to 39, believe it or not, by Monday night. But then temps crash on Tuesday, and there we go, -1 for a high on Wednesday, and then a little recovery next weekend with a little bit of snow expected on